Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about the setup I'm having in order to have this kind of cinematic, but you know, what am I wearing basically? What's that? So yeah, now we're good. I'm gonna talk about the lighting. As you can see around me, it's pretty much, you know, outside is like sunny. Basically it's not sunny, but it's still daylight. And if I turn off all of my lighting from here, you will see how bad I look without having this kind of artificial light, if you know what I mean, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna pause for a few seconds and you will see a few graphics around my head that is saying to you, is telling you to subscribe, like here, there, all around you. Can you hear it? Yes. So please subscribe before you continue watching this one, because it's gonna be like. So here, that's the physical light, but I didn't turn off my main light. So that's how I am. Let me turn off the lights from inside. You can see that's a big difference between this light and all the other lights. Let's drink my tea for now. So yeah, that's the settings I have for now. So see the difference between now and before. Let me show you step by step how I turn on all the lights, just closing the curtains from here. Let me turn on this one because I'm a little bit, you know, scared, you know. Come on, light. So that's how it was. Langsy. Change the color to whatever I want. No, I'm not going to make another movie, so yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that. First light up. What is that? This is how it is without lighting basically, and it's only this little one. So I'm gonna turn it on. Basically that's the main light. That's my second little one, just for the, you know, kind of, I don't know. Here it's my way, you know, wee light. The Yonggong LED light. Oh my god, I'm like a ghost. So that's, yeah, I think we are good to go, but not yet, because I have one last little detail. So yeah, I have my LED lights right in my bag. The reason why I have them, I have no idea, I just like them. And when I'm watching movies or when I'm editing photos or videos, I love having them as a background, and my entire room looks like pa pa pa, using the Godox SL60W when I'm editing, of course. But when I'm having a video, I'm creating a video or something, I love it. I'm using it every time. And of course, when I'm doing like product photography or whatever, memoir photography, whatever, just you name it. When it comes to making it in my home studio, yeah, I'm using this as my main light. But key lights, of course, is the way light, the Ulanzi, which is freaking amazing. You have like so many choices. I love it. It's my little toy. So ask you for a small little favor, you know? Just please be my subscriber, and who knows, maybe I will make a video with you one day, or about you one day. Depends. Please subscribe, like, comment, share if you care. My name is Tommy. I hope you know me. If you don't, just subscribe to get to know me more. Do it because you can. You have it, baby. You know it. I know it. We know it. So do it. I'm not forcing you to do something you don't want, but I know, we both know that you really want to do that. So what's the point of just keeping it? I don't get it, you know. So please subscribe. I will show you how to do this, or maybe in this video, depends how. I don't know. That's it. Talking to the camera with bad lighting, but let's do it again. Call the things from here. My ISO is 160. Changed. So this is my LED light. Come on, LED light. Yeah. This is my Ulanzi. I don't know if you can see, basically. And here I have my little, what is that? Light. I'll have all the links in the description. Basically.